How to change car color in Beach Buggy Racing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to customize your car's color in Beach Buggy Racing 2 game, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device, and once you're inside this homepage, go to the top of the screen and tap on Team. Once you're inside this Team tab, go to the top left and tap on Body Shop. Now, from here you can go ahead and change your car's color, wheels, accessories, horns, etc. Tap on the paint option and choose a different color you want for your car. After making sure to select a color, you can now head back and click on Apply. Now you have successfully changed your car's color. You can also customize other designs such as wheels. You need to purchase the wheels. You can also go ahead and select your rear wheels, brake color, etc. So that is how you easily change your car color and customize your car in Beach Buggy Racing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.